Hi everyone, today we're talking about how to make passive income in 2023. With the new year here, it's a great time to start thinking about ways to earn money without having to work a traditional 9-to-5 job. If you have a spare room in your home or a property that you're not using, you can rent it out on Airbnb and earn money passively. To get started, research your local regulations, set up your listing, and make sure to provide a clean and comfortable space for guests. Idea number 2, dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is another great way to earn passive income. Research companies with a history of paying dividends and a good track record of stability and growth, and consider investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks. Idea number 3, online courses. Creating and selling online courses is a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with others, while also earning passive income. Choose a topic you're knowledgeable about, create engaging course content, and promote your course through social media and other marketing channels. Idea number 4, peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending allows you to earn interest on your investment by lending money to others. Research the platform and the types of loans they offer, diversify your portfolio by investing in multiple loans, and understand the risks involved before investing. Idea number 5, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn money by promoting products and earning a commission on sales. Find a niche you're knowledgeable about, research products you could promote, and consider creating a website or blog to drive traffic to your affiliate links. These are just 5 of many potential passive income streams. The key to success with any of these ideas is to start small, be persistent, and continually educate yourself about the industry and market. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on making passive income. Thanks for watching.